Alright, so hi guys, this video right now I'm going to show you the unboxing of the Tecsun PL-320. I think this is the like the 310 and the 310 ET upgrade, but this is also like the 330 without the single sideband. So yeah, it has all these features: 910 kHz stereo sound, wide and narrow filters, everything. This is an FM AM shortwave and long wave radio. Here it is. It's only in Chinese, and this is just a quick unboxing, so we're going to go and unbox it. Let's unbox the radio here. It comes with the here's the radio itself here inside of this this like sleeve. Really nice sleeve, by the way. Another one inside here. This is the like the manual. I'm just doing this one-handed operation here. Oops. There you go. Here's the manual. This is all in Chinese. I think you can grab the English version of this online. That's the contents of the box here. Here is the headphones and the charging cord here for this radio. This radio uses BL5C. You can see here's the radio itself here. The BL5C I think is already inside the radio itself here. So I'm going to just remove it here. Sorry for this one. Yeah. Here it is. Here's the radio itself. Really nice, clicky feeling. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty nice. The buttons are not that recessed compared to the 310 ET. It's a little bit protruding, so that's good. Here's the power button here, speaker here, and tuning dial here, volume knob here. This is like the digital volume. Here it is. Here is the VL5C battery that is needed. If I can open it. Okay, so here's the BL5C battery. I think you need to remove this in order to make contact with it. But yeah, here is the kickstand here, so you can kickstand the radio just like this one. Yeah, pretty nice. Alright, so yeah, this is the antenna here. Extends way too far. Oops, sorry about that. Right, yeah, extended here, not that far actually. Yeah, not that far. So yeah, alright, so that's about it for the Tecsun PL-320 quick unboxing. Just like a rush unboxing, but yeah. Anyway, so that's it for now. Please, if you have some comments or suggestions, please feel free to leave those down below in the comment section. And yeah, like if you like it, and see you again on the next video. Bye bye.